Sa yung mata mo, ayun o. Bumuboso.
For today, while we wait for our ribbon cutting to start, you may all have your free scan. We'll be taking your photos, and please wait for your print out. Please use our hashtag. Our theme for today will be Rising on Another Planet. You can have Sun Cafe Rising on Another Planet. So para ka sa iba nga. Ang ganda, diba? Sun Cafe is rising on another planet here. Planet Hotel Binondo, so please enjoy.
Ang cute eh, no? Mas cute ka pala pag nakatayo eh.
In Instagram. Lahat po ba may Instagram? Yes, please do follow our Instagram account. It's Sun Cafe Manila. We have a ready frame for you. You just need to click add yours or add your photo. So meron yung ready the frame for our event today. So later I'll be showing you this. Busy sila sa Insta.
Ikaw again. naman ako vlog.
Everyone, please settle down. We're about to begin our program. Hello, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, I'm here. So please take your seats and find your way here at our newest Sun Cafe here at Red Planet Hotel Binondo. Hello, everyone. You're all excited? Yes, we are. Isang magandang araw po sa ating lahat and welcome to a very special moment here in the heart of Binondo. Today, we celebrate not just an opening but a new dawn. So parang bukang liwayway. Pagsikat ng araw dito sa Red Planet Philippines Binondo, a collaboration feels like discovering a new planet where two well-loved worlds meet. Red Planet, nandito since 2018. Tama ako, 7 years na ang Red Planet Binondo, and Sun Cafe naman, 3 years. 3 beautiful years at meron ng 3 beautiful branches. A round of applause for Sun Cafe. Congratulations, one in Binondo, our favorite hangout spot. And the second one is in Golden Seagulls in Parañaque. And it's finally here at Red Planet Binondo, Manila. So for sure, everyone will love this new vibe in this community. Kaya naman, a round of applause for Red Planet Philippines and Sun Cafe's perfect collaboration. It's perfect kasi pag nagising mo, diba, sa umaga yung meeting or gusto mo magising, meron dito yung Sun Cafe para gisingin ka. It's brewing all day, right? It's brewing all day here at Red Planet Philippines. New orbit, a new energy, and new chapter for all of us who have witnessed these establishment grow in the heart of Binondo. Kasing special ng araw na to, of course, I'd like to acknowledge our special guests this afternoon. Hindi mawawala, of course, pinagkaguluhan natin si Mayor. No need for introduction. Thank you, Mayor Iskong Moreno Dumagoso, for gracing us with your presence today. A round of applause for our beloved Mayor of Manila. Also, nandito rin the owner of Sun Cafe, Ms. Aurea Ortiz. The CEO of Red Planet Philippines, Mr. Floren Yumo. Hotel Manager of Red Planet Manila Binondo, Ms. Kana Asumo. Director of Hotel Operations of Red Planet Hotels Philippines, Sir Ramon Milian Jr. PED of Red Planet Hotels Philippines, Mr. Edgardo Paz. And also our team from Red Planet Philippines. Nandito rin si Carl Gawat, the Director of HR. Ms. Ann Guado, the Cluster Head Manager. Our HR Manager, Ms. Julie Santiago. Our Marketing Manager, Sir Nico Mendiola. And our legal team, presented by Attorney Ann Ortiz. It's a radiant day para sa ating lahat. Palakpakan natin ang lahat ng ating esteemed guests na dumalo sa ating grand opening today. Of course, without further ado, Mayor, would you like to share a few words to all our guests here? Everyone, palakpakan natin, Mayor Iskong Moreno Dumagoso.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, to the Red Planet family who's been doing business in the city of Manila. They're all over the city now, and I hope more branches of Red Planet Hotel in the city of Manila. And with that, of course, our nakakatatlo na. Sa tatlong branch ng ating tindahan, itong Sun Cafe, dalawa sa Maynila. Mga magandang 2026. Baka mamaya, 5 na. But I'm happy and proud to be here as your city government in our own little way, showing to business community across value, across industry, that your city government will always welcome you to the city of Manila. Manila is growing for the past 4 months, and I would like to inform, especially Red Planet, who's catering our visitors in the city. Manila, we just received almost 7,000 in the last 4 months of new businesses in the city because of the rules being reintroduced. It was introduced, that kind of policy, in 2019 and 2022. But it was removed or changed noong mga nakaraang taon. So we went back and put back the policy of ease of doing business in the city. And with that, the market, the business community reacted positively. So that's why we are very excited that if at the rate we're going, there will be more foot traffic in the city of Manila. More foot traffic, more business, more jobs for the people of Manila. And that is our goal. In line with our direction, in our commitment. In the next 10 years, in the city of Manila, your city government will continue to invest in MBN, on MBN. MBN means minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. These are the 4 pillars of services that we, as your government in the city of Manila, will continue to invest heavily so that, para naman tumaas ang angkas ng pamumuhay sa Luzon. Manila is old. It is an old city. No comparison to Taguig, Makati Avenue, and so on. But with that kind of challenges, it is also an asset. This old city has so much history. And with history, we have so much story to tell. Like in the case of where we are right now. This is the first and largest Filipino-Chinese community in the world. This is China. 1 block away, you have the first in the world outside of Hong Kong. The first Hong Kong Shanghai Bank branch headquarters outside of Hong Kong. And now what we all know, 1919 Cafe. That 1919 Cafe used to be HSBC. In 1919, the word itself, the restaurant itself. So, kaya marami tayong yaman. Ang yaman natin ay kasaysayan. Bagamat tayo'y luma, pero ang trabaho ng gobyerno ay gawin itong maaliwalas. Maaliwalas at panatag ang pamumuhay. So that businesses can come in and make a living, strive, and hopefully be successful. Malaking merkado ang Maynila. Yan ang asset natin. At palalo pa itong lalaki, huwag kayo mag-alala, ay pumanatag kayo in our own little way. I and our city Olympians, kayo mag-alala, magbubuti po kami. I know in your heart, in your mind, there are so many things that bothers you with what's happening in the country. But don't worry, your city government will not participate in creating uncertainty in our country. We will focus on our people, in our city, to each and every family in the city. Kaya itong aming pagpapakita dito ay paraan, maliit naming paraan, ng pagpapakita ng suporta. Kahit nasabi mo 2x2 yan, 2x4 yan, o kaya sa kanto, o sa hotel, we will be there to show our support to the businesses. And that will be fun. So sa inyo, San Captain, sa Red Planet, maraming pang building dito, tirahin nyo pa. Marami pa dyan. And next year, for the Red Planet, or what you call the hospitality industry, will be a fruitful year for them. Because your country, our country, the Philippines, and our city will be hosting ASEAN. So there will be more and more opportunity for every businesses across industry. No? Kaya maggaya kayo ng maggaya. Maghanap pa kayo ng mga lugar dyan. Maghanap buhay kayo. No harm or disturbance will come to you from the city government. That I guarantee. Gone are the days na sumasakit ang ulo ninyo sa City Hall. No more lonely nights. We will create certainty. And to the developer, I would like to inform you, or even your property, ito, dadagdag ko na, sayang naman yung opportunity. Because this is one of the great policy that we call the part of the ease of doing business. In the zoning board, your zoning authority used to require you 22 items to comply with the zoning. I would like to inform you that 2 months ago, I, as your chairman of the zoning board, made it to 7. From 22 items to 7 items. Now, if you still don't comply and you pay with the requirements, or you need to be exempted in the land use, you need to comply 15 items. Now, it's only 5. Wow. So that is our commitment testament to show to the industry, the business industry, welcome po kayo sa lungsod ng Maynila. So muli, congratulations. I'm happy and proud to be here, and I wish that God will always continue to guide and bless each and every one. Thank you. Magandang araw. Pagpalain nawa kayo ng buhok na kapal. Manila! God bless. Thank you.
Thank you! Malakas na palakpakan para kay Mayor Isko. Of course, before we proceed with our program, Mayor, mag-enjoy ka muna dahil meron kami prepare na isang tradition talaga dahil nandito tayo sa Chinatown. Everyone, let's enjoy our Dragon Dance! and Sun Cafe Manila Operations Manager, Mr. Patrick Steele.
Chip, pasagasaan ka. Ayun na yung trend.
Everyone, let's gather to this area, please.
Andyan na yung
And help
trend,
me
Chip.
with our countdown. Let's go here, so you can all witness our ribbon cutting ceremony. Everyone, please get ready with your phones. Alright, so to our VIPs, please hold the scissors. Pretend lang po muna to cut the ribbon and pose. Okay, let's have a photo muna. Just a photo. Everyone smile. Alright, ngayon naman. Everyone, please help me on our countdown. Cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1. Congratulations! Sun Cafe is finally here at Red Planet Binondo. Congratulations, our VIPs, please. One more photo. Let's have another photo, please. Paul and Attorney Alex.
Pagtawitan natin. Ito ba ba?
Furnitures, and actually, as you can see over here in us, each fold and layer symbolize stories of hope, at the same time gratitude and unity, especially for the Filipino Chinese community. This reminds us of the beauty of the Christmas, and at this point in time, we will be inviting special people to join us right here on the stage for our official lighting ceremony. First up, joining us, we have our General Manager, ladies and gents, Ms. Noriko Sanucci. We are also joined by Vice President for Strategic Support, Mr. Rene Arnabit. Thank you, sir. We definitely want to meet the Mayor of the City of Manila, ladies and gents, Honorable Francisco Moreno Gamunosa. Join us, please, Mayor. So I guess we first have a photo opportunity. If we may invite first our VIPs to have a photo first in front of our red ribbon. Photo opportunity. And afterwards, we'll also invite special people to join us on our stage for a quick photo opportunity. As we say this evening, we will be unfolding the magic of Christmas. A very beautiful theme that we get to celebrate for holiday season 2025. And of course, everybody here at Lucky Chinatown Side, we will come in as we officially kickstart the holiday season at the heart of Binondo. Once we're ready, are we good with the photos? And so you can position yourselves on the right and the left side of our display. Hold on. Everybody, we will be doing our official countdown as we say, tonight, we open the happiest
Ayos talaga ito mga to.
of the year for every fold.
Ayaw magpakalis sa malayo.